Welcome back. I'm Pete from My Pilates London, and we're returning to a short sequence on gliders and motor arm. So, as you can see, you might be wondering why am I starting in this position? Simply because it's the most awkward one to get into. So, we can start with a very simple pull, knee pull, one and the other. We can go into circles from here, single leg, cleaning the floor in the process, and together, out and in, working those hips, all the while stabilizing through upper body, push-ups with a knee pull, and again, a whole bunch of variations you can attempt in this position. So, plenty to get working with when you've got the motor arm in this position. Then, your next challenge is to come out of that position, swing it around, not too bad if I say so myself, place the straps on the feet, and then you can place the up strap on the foot, so I've got two, and we stand up, move that out of the way, put your feet on the gliders, you can start your upper body work. Again, can be quite straightforward. If you wish, you just focus on a simple start with single leg lunges, just to check ranges, check tension, resistance. You can start to go with overhead presses and see how that feels. Now I've got max tension on here, so all my buttons are in on the VRM, but you go to where you want to. I would suggest not too light, especially when you're on the gliders. You just want a degree of control. You can go with arm pulls to the front on both sides. And again, it's just a whole bunch of variations you can play with, or perhaps biceps. So again, very simple bicep pulls. Just be aware it does work for stability in the shoulders, the upper body, because as you press one leg away, you have the lengthening of the cable, the resistances alter, they're not the same on both sides, so that requires some stabilization for the motor arm, which comes from back, which comes from shoulders, which comes from arms. We can drop down from here, come down into a supine position, heels on the gliders, and we can start with a very simple press and lower, press, maybe just continue, straightforward press, or perhaps with extending leg, or perhaps double extending leg, or perhaps with an overhead and back in, overhead. That'll warm your hamstrings and your glutes up nicely. Plenty of challenge, and again, very easy to play around and look for some variations. I'm just playing here, nothing really planned, just to give you some ideas. See how that works. But anyway, it's a good start, it's good fun, plenty of challenge. See how you go, come up with your own variations. I'm sure I'll add more at some time. But thank you for watching this Balanced Body video, and see you soon.